Now, you've seen the hit ABC show Kitchen Cabinet, where celebrated journalist Annabel Crabb stirs the pot with politicians of every flavour. You've delighted in the saucy conversations brewed up between Crabb and her guests. Now, in what critics have hailed as junk food journalism and allowing the nation to keep unsavoury topics like structural racist violence off the table. Now see where it all began, when a young Annabel Crabb made her debut on community television in Kitchenette Cabinet. The collected Australian, international and historical interviews are now available on DVD.
Welcome to Kitchenette Cabinet. I'm Annabel Crabb. Now I'm going to beat these egg whites until they're really light and frothy. No substance whatsoever. Just like my next question to noted stain on Australia's human rights record, Scott Morrison. Scott, what four things make you smile?
Yes, Annabel, I'm human. Human emotions. I love to whisk and laugh.
Tony Abbott, welcome to Kitchenette Cabinet. Now, during your tenure, polls consistently ranked you as one of the most unpopular prime ministers in decades.
Well, Chris, what you have to understand about polls is that what we did is we stopped the boats.
Tony, just before we get into more about polls, what have you got planned for us today? You know, we've got all our ingredients here. What's the next step? Tony? You're not saying anything, Tony?
I've given you the answer you deserve.
David Cameron, welcome to Kitchenette Cabinet.
Hello, Annabel.
Now, you've said the previous government's ban on fox hunting makes you furious. Personally, I don't even know how you'd cook a fox. Do they taste a bit like chicken?
Well,
But before we get to that, tell me, you're cooking us some pork today?
yes.
And you've chosen to cook a whole pig's head, which is a little unusual.
Yes.
David, I'm just going to need you to keep your hands where I can see them, okay? Silvio Berlusconi, your systemic corruption, gross incompetence and tax evasion conviction brought shame to Italy. But your wacky antics in the kitchen do make me laugh.
Hunger for the bunga. Oh, Annabel Crabb, so beautiful.
Marie Antoinette, welcome to Kitchenette Cabinet. Now, you famously lived a life of luxury while your people were dying of starvation in the streets. And to be honest, your flippant comments about their poverty and hunger did get you into a little bit of hot water. So tell me, why cake today?
Oh, I just want the best for my people.
I don't think I understand.
Oh, cake is so much more delicious than the stupid bread.
Oh, of course. Oh, so funny. It is so much more delicious than bread.
So much more delicious. Do you want a slice of this cake?
No. Our next guest can be a little hard to track down. One moment. Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary, Bloody Mary.
You called?
Queen Mary II, welcome to Kitchenette Cabinet. Now, you're known as Bloody Mary for ordering the death of thousands of Protestants. But tell me, what's your take on the cocktail?
Oh, it's excellent for brunch.
What a wonderful gift for Christmas. Now,